number 5, let me scoot this over a little bit. Number 5. We have to FOIL this time. We have x plus 8 times x minus 1 equals x plus 2 squared. Alright, so let me just make a note before we go. The freshman dream when we see this is to just square both terms and be done. You have to be careful. When you're squaring it, it means we're multiplying x plus 2 times itself. So it's always better to rewrite this out so you don't make that mistake of just squaring both terms and missing out on your middle term. So this is what I would recommend. Write the problem. The left side will stay the same. And then rewrite this as x plus 2 times x plus 2. Now, the next time I see squared, I will show you the shortcut, but it's good to be able to do it this way. At least you have one way to do it. So if you can do FOIL. So x times x, x squared, x times a negative 1, negative x, negative 1x, 1 is understood, 8 times x, positive 8x, 8 times negative 1, negative 8. On the other side, x times x gives us x squared, x times 2, positive 2x, 2 times x, positive 2x, 2 times 2, positive 4. So, if you just do that little squaring part, you're going to miss out on these middle terms. Alright, we're going to combine like terms. X squared. Negative x plus 8, so you're doing 8 minus 1, so that gives us a positive 7x minus 8 equals, over here we have x squared plus 4x, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then plus the 4 at the back. Same thing, we're going to combine like terms and then solve for x. So the x squared, there's 1 on each side. They're going to cancel out, but the way that works is you're going to subtract x squared from both sides, and x squared goes to 0. So bring down everything else. 7x minus 8 equals 4x plus 4. Alright, so since the bigger number is here, I'm going to subtract 4, move it over. So I'm going to do them both at the same time. Subtract 4x, and then that means I have to add 8 and move it over, so it's on the other side. So plus 8. Plus 8. So that's what I meant, both at the same time. So these positive and negative cancel. Positive and negative cancel. Goes to 0. We always say cancel out. 7 minus 4 leaves us with 3 x's. 3x equals 4 plus 8, both positive, 12. And then divide by 3. 3 times x, so we got to divide to get x by itself. And that leaves us x. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And again, when you get these answers, go back, plug it in to your original problem, which would be really nice just to plug the 4's in, solve those, and then multiply. You can see that that will be the same with very little difficulty.